Well, hello. We're getting to the end of these videos. I believe there'll only be one more after this. Excuse me. Ahem. Ahem. Sorry about that. I had a frog in my throat. So, one topic here is solving and graphing on a number line. Inequalities. So here's 7 problems. Freeze the video, do them, and then turn me back on. Okay, so this one, I'm going to divide both sides by -3, but whenever you multiply or divide by negative, you switch that inequality. So, we'd have an open dot on -3 and everything to the left. Here I would add 10, divide by 5. Notice I did no switching of the inequality because I didn't multiply or divide by negative. So I'd have open dot on 6. Now notice both dots are open because there's no equals in the problem. So this one, I'm going to multiply both sides by -2, the reciprocal. And, switch that inequality. And here I'm going to divide by 3. So x is greater than 2. So remember, an OR is wherever there's shading. If this would have been an AND, it would have been no reals. But since it's an OR, it's that. So here we have an AND. So I'm going to subtract 20 from all 3 terms. I'd have 0 is less than or equal to 10x, which is less than or equal to 30. Then I'm going to divide everything by 10. So 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 3. So it's between 0 and 3. Now, this is where everyone, did I say everyone? Everyone forgets that whenever you have a variable inside the absolute value, break it up into 2 parts. So you just drop the absolute value, then you take the opposite of the inside. Now, this is just equal, so our answer is going to be 2 dots. So I'm going to subtract 6, take the opposite. Here I'm going to add 6. So dot at -4, solid. Dot at 16, solid. So this one, 5x minus 10, is greater than 20, or the opposite. So I'm going to add 10, divide by 5. Here I'm going to subtract 10, divide by -5, so I need to switch the inequality. So we'd have a dot at -2 open because there's no equals, and a dot at 6 going in the other way. And that's a typical absolute value for or greater than. This one I'd have 1/3 of x is less than or equal to 10. And the opposite. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. Here I'm going to multiply both sides by -3, which means I need to switch the inequality. So it's all the numbers between -30 and 30. Okay, functions. Ooh, very important in upper level math. Not as important for us. But here's the three functions and what they're equal. And here's the function values I want you to find. Do it right now and then turn me back on, please. So f of -5, you put -5 in for x. So it's 3 times -5 minus 6. Minus 15 minus 6 is minus 21. G of -2, there's G. So I'm going to put -2. You always use parentheses to replace a variable with a number. Minus a -2. So -2 in parentheses squared is 4. Plus 2 minus a minus. So my answer is 6. Here I have 6 minus a -6. So it'd be 6 plus 6 is 12. Well, that was easy. Here I have f of 2 plus h of 5. F of 2 would be 3 times 2 is 6, minus 6 is 0. Plus h of 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. So the answer is 1. 3 times g of 2, we'd have 3 times 2 squared minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6. How are you doing out there? I hope you're doing good. So we have h of 4. H of 4 is 6 minus 4 is 2. So I could change h of 4 with the number 2. F of 2, I think we already found once. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 6 is 0. Well, that wasn't too bad. Only one more video to go. Hey, hey, ho, ho. Bye-bye.